Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. So I am coming to you with a new video, of course, because I come to you guys with a new video every week. So today's video is going to be a different type of video because in today's video I will be doing my nails. So a few days ago I received a lovely package from my favorite people, Madam Glam. They literally hit me up and basically said that they had a new press-on nail line that they wanted me to show you guys. So of course I said yes, because if there's one thing I love and if there's one thing you took from that YouTube video that I did with Madam Glam, link down below, is that I love a good press on. So I have the package here, but before we get into this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up already because you are seeing me, so why not just give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below, please subscribe to this channel so that my videos always pop up in your subscription box, and please make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the video and let's get into me showing you guys the products, because I can't wait, because I have not seen these products myself, so I want to get into it with you guys. Let's just get into it and I'll show you how I do it this time. Let's go. Okay, so I have the package with me. I do not have scissors with me, but it looks like it has an easy place to just remove it. This is one thing I love about Madam Glam. They always come with the sturdiness, and it just makes buying from them such a good experience because you want something of good quality. Okay. Ooh, these are so, oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. So as you can see from the video that's playing, they literally gave the adhesive tabs in this high quality packaging. Like, what is this? From my last nail video that I did with them, you saw the nail tabs that I was using. Were they in a packet? No. And these are vegan, cruelty-free and non-toxic. I didn't even know if the other ones were. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love this express on nails. I like that. And then we have the express on nails. Okay, there we go, it's focusing now. This is the color that I chose out because I just wanted something simple and something to mimic my natural nails but still give that, you know, glow up look. So I will be showing you guys them, putting them on, but I will be taking them right off because I will be putting them on in another video. Stay tuned. Yeah, so it says prep your nails, ensure your nails are clean and dry for better adhesion, select the best size of press on nails for each nail, work one nail at a time, apply the tab to your natural nail, peel off the protective film, align press on nail slightly under your cuticle, press down at a 45-degree angle, press down firmly and avoid contact with the water right after the application. And if you want to take them off, literally just apply a drop of cuticle oil, no oil needed. These are the beautiful nails that they gave me. And then there are some okay guys, I'm back. Instead of showing you guys the nails the way I was going to show you guys the nails before, I just decided to record a video which will probably be playing now. Those nails are in the style paparazzi. If you go on their website you can see many amount of styles that they do have. They do have many, but I would say it is quite limited for a press-on nail business, only because they're just starting out though. So let's get into doing these nails. So I have the nails here. These are the nail tabs that they gave me, just like the nail tabs you saw before in my previous nail video. And what I'm going to do is I firstly need to find out which nail sizes fit me, so that's what I'm going to do first. So the first thing I need to do is, of course, pick out the nails that I'm going to be wearing from the nail tabs. So let's get into it. is the beforehand and this is the afterhand that we are going to be working on. So I just have to get my nail tabs. I'm just going to stick on my nail tabs as usual, and then we can go from there. They said press firmly, so that's what I'm doing. And then it says peel off the protective film. Okay, and then we just literally peel off the film. Okay, that was not the smoothest one, but I'll be smooth with the others. But this is how it looks. Try not to touch it too much, and then they said apply it at a 45-degree angle. So I need to put it under the cuticle first and then apply it on like so. Look at that! Hey! Guys, hold on. I did that. Like, these don't usually work on me, but I did that. Let me do it and let's get back. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the before and this is the after. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Let me just tell you that obsessed is an understatement. I don't know what you want me to say, because they've literally just won me over. They've won my heart. I probably could firm it and find a few that do fit me. I have such a unique nail size. My nail sizes are very different to what your standard nail size on a small, medium or large nail box would be, which is why when it comes to gifting me nails and stuff, or even me ordering press-on nails, it would be too hard for me. I have to always like do the custom ones where I put in my size, because they don't have the standard size for me and they would literally be way too big or way too small for me. But I'm just impressed with this hand alone, and I can show you guys the before and after like this. Look at this crusty, dusty before. It's just horrendous, but look at this. Look at that. Those other ones would have flown off. These are not going anywhere, and I love that for them. So that is all for today's video. Once again, I would love to say a big thank you to Madam Glam for sponsoring today's video and giving me something to show you guys for this video. I wouldn't have it any other way, and they haven't disappointed me yet, and I don't think they're going to. I know they will hit me up with another thing and I will be ready to show you guys with open arms, because this is 2 for 2. If they can get 3 for 3, they've won. Once again, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down. Yeah, I'm using this hand. Yeah, I am. Please comment down below telling me what your favorite part about this video was, or just give me a random comment. I reply anyways, and I always leave a like. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Wishing you happiness, and I will see you in my next video.